Enpurex by TKM. For the thorough cleaning of your ceramic Enilox roller and gravure cylinder, we recommend the use of our pH-neutral and biodegradable Enpurex cleaning agent. To activate the cleaning process, Enpurex is applied with the help of a micropore sponge. During the reaction time of 1 to 3 minutes, all contaminations will be fragmented through highly dynamic pulsations and lifted upwards instead of being chemically aggressively dissolved. A drying out must be avoided while doing so. To deactivate the cleaning process and to remove the contaminations, a water-wetted, non-woven cloth is being used. Please note to wipe in one direction for a residual-free cleaning process. Subsequently, the roller can be wiped dry with a clean cloth. Depending on the degree of contamination, the cleaning process might be repeated. TKM Enpurex is giving you a cleaner for Enilox rollers and gravure cylinders that is environmentally friendly, biodegradable, food safe, pH neutral and dermatologically tested. Enpurex, your cleaning liquid for printing cylinders by TKM.